key over me. Nobody. Richard, they got a key next door.
Jeez, he's delusional. He don't want to see my new 20. Hey, Bird. Hey, Bird. Hey, Bird. I think somebody rattled. I think somebody rattled that cracked bird's nest of yours, and one flew out the cuckoo's nest.
So you pulled the king out of his throne.
Hold on, man. Hold on. His goal here is just to step on me until I feel like taking control of all the boroughs again. But if this one makes him feel like a man and not a junkie, so be it.
Say it now. Let me hear it.
Wow, what'd I say?
Gotta say. Tell me about your toilet seat.
Hey, what do you want me to say? The guy's hung up on me, man. I blew up his whole operation. He can't tell his wife he's working anymore and go smoke crack over at the crib there because I know where the safe cubby hole's at. He blew it up.
I want to know if you got your 2 front teeth for Christmas, a toilet seat, and I want to...
I tell you, this man is crazy.
822 New York, got down.
Ocho, bendito. Don't step on him, Ocho. Don't step on him.
You can wear all the black and yellow hats you want. It don't make you a fucking Lion King, you bitch.
I want that little punk ass nigga right there.
The Suave, you pussy, yo.
Could be worse, Suave. You could have little Birdman or another punk ass nigga by you.
Yo, for the other cat, I want to know who the hell is this. Contender, damn it. And more. I want to know how much he sold that amplifier for and how much crack he bought with the money.
Forget about that crackhead motherfucker, yo.
That's what I want to know, damn it. I want to know when he sold his amplifier, the money he got, did he use it all to buy crack? That's what I want to know.
Yo, Snowblower got the scoop, yo. You ain't been noticing that black blazer parked in front of your 20?
Mira, la madre tuya está chupando ahora, pendejo.
Nah, you for real, yo, Suave. You don't notice that black blazer parked in front of your 20?
Sparky, yo, listen to this, yo. Listen, the niggas joint audios, listen. The toothless. And now I'm asking again. I want to know if he got his 2 front teeth from his cousin Melinda. I want to know if he got a toilet seat. And I want to know if he got any more radios to blow up. I also want to know the money he got for the amplifier, if he smoked it all in crack, damn it.
I mean, my mierda over and over and over. Shut the fuck up already.
What's the deal with this dude? What's the deal with this dude, man?
Birdman 3931 got pretty hurt, dude. Pretty hurt. His crack den got blowed up. Somebody rattled the bird's nest and one cuckoo flew out the crack nest. And Richie is responsible for it all. Get him up.
Down. Wait, Dingster, he fucking can go over everybody. Who is this guy?
Faggot Birdman, bro. Birdman, the fag man.
Luigi, come out and play. Seven, I hear this bullshit every fucking day.
I said, yo, you're gonna have to move in with Richie.
Yeah, well, you know what it is, Nitro. He's gonna pretend he don't hear me. And then his carrier's not even in the strawberry patch or anywhere near it. He's gonna say, Richie, come out and play, like he's trying to find a brother. This is a Stone Cold Bird junkie. You want to know what this clown's about? Just go to my favorite section and look for the video with the big green frog. Start about 4 minutes and 50 seconds and let it rock on. You'll see what this fucking junkie's about.
Wrong with this shit. See what happens? See what happens? You always fucking with your shit. Now you wonder.
Who'd you read the mail?
What happened, Birdman? You try to make new friends out here? See what happened?
Big freaking Albanian gorilla coming after you.
Let me go with this out.
See, the toothless contender's a king, baby.
Wow. I just heard one of my favorite radio hosts out there. I just heard one of my favorite.
He's better than everybody else, man. Ain't nobody coming over him right now. Come on, man. Nah, he in love with Richie and shit. Motherfucker got obsessed with Richie and shit.
Ain't nobody can get him.
Richie got under his skin, dude. Richie got way under his skin. His family heritage is chicken. That's why he runs by Birdman. And somebody rattled his nest, and oh, one flew out the cuckoo's nest. I'm back quiet.
You are my favorite radio host out here. Come on.
He looking for friends, Nitro. Not that he's in love with the King of New York. He just got a real fatal attraction, and he too scared to do something about it.
Suave here's his daddy. Daddy.
He look in the mirror, all he can see is Richie.
Hey, Vinny Retardo.
That is. You think you're playing games?
Hey, Vinny Retardo.
Why you? Yo, in the morning time, you're.
The number one.
What kind of channel's ignoring him?
He had no airtime right now, so you want to play with Richie, you're going to have to wait.
The king rules.
Keep dreaming, my friend.
I told you he out here looking for friends. He called 9 friend.
Audio, check. You let me know who you hear. You've been corrupt.
Audio, check. Yo, man, he's only about 20 blocks away from Richie, dude. Only about 20 blocks away, that's it.
Like that, my friend. Just like that. Let me show you something.
Sure sound like he got mighty stepped on in that video gate. Oh!
Oh, yo, check. You let me know who you hearing.
You ain't hearing nobody.
Oh, don't worry about it, dude. He's only about 20 blocks away from Richie. He's only trying to create an illusion for the video gate. Tevo.
Ain't doing diddly. Your little 3-pounder ain't doing... That's for real.
Bravo, Richie. Well, Richie on your own channel.
Nah, man, he's only 20 blocks away from Richie trying to create an illusion on Richie's video gate, but you guys let him know what time it was, and I'm hysterical over it. Yo, Nitro, that was pretty good. Whatever recording that was good. He was nowhere to be found. Shit, I wasn't even in there. Ha ha.
Yeah, Suave is scared, yo. Come on, baby. I'm calling for you. I think when you were ready, boy, I'm putting a little food in the room down and I'm picking up your son.
Don't you know no good?
He wants you to be his daddy and put you on. He wants you to get on taxes and all that, you know, write him off as a dependent on his taxes, and, you know, he wants